What time is it? Hot dog dance time. J-Man, you gonna do it? Jameson, do hot dog dance. There you go. Yeah, baby.
Mommy.
Yeah.
See how Donald Feeding is dancing like this?
Oh.
That means Mickey is doing it.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Doing lower.
Yeah.
That's why I'm doing lower.
Oh. Jameson, do Mickey Mouse dance. Do hot dog dance.
You also found the professor. Then we use skis to ski across the snow.
Look at Donald. Look at Donald. He's the most.
Yeah, they're silly. Good job, Boogie. Ready?
Don't do it like that. We don't dance like that.
He's doing fine.
Can I do it one more time?
Maybe. And the Mickey Mouse.
One more time.
Say please.